Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share an amazing magical recipe to you babies, which is not only for those who are into weight loss phase, but it's even good for those who want glowing skin, healthy hair and good health. It's good for each one of us, especially very good for those who are O blood group, because I follow blood group diet, and if you want to know more about it, I'll put the links in the description box. So the recipe I'm sharing with you today, you can have it either for lunch or dinner or both lunch and dinner. I like to do that. When I'm very strict, I have for lunch and dinner. So yes, I hope it helps each one of you. Before you go ahead, please subscribe to my channel Princess Priyanka, and don't forget to hit on that bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. And yeah, all my social media links will be in the description box. This recipe which I'm sharing with you is very nutritious babies, full of nutrients, full of benefits, full of vitamins. It's just basically super good. If you have it on religious basis, it will only do wonders. Yeah. So now go ahead and see the ingredients and how to make it. Babies, this is half a kilo of red pumpkin, which is really miraculous for O blood group. Then we are taking 2 carrots and slightly roasting it in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We are going to be adding in the red pumpkin too. Now it is nicely roasted. Switch off the flame. This is how it should look. Now in another pan, add in a tablespoon of olive oil and add in a little bit of garlic and chopped onions and let it roast nicely. After it is roasted, add in the roasted carrots and red pumpkin and let it cook a little bit. After it is cooked, switch off the flame and let it cool nicely and put it in a blender and blend it super well. Now in the pan, add in whatever you blended. Add in some water in the blender and again blend it. Then add everything in the pan, including a little bit of water, and start cooking it. Cook it till it starts boiling. Keep stirring and don't forget to add a little bit of iodized salt. When it starts boiling, you have to add in a bunch of spinach. This is washed, chopped and cooked spinach. So you just have to add it in the soup, and babies, spinach is again super magical for us. So keep stirring nicely for another 1 to 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. See to that everything is cooked, okay babies? And woo, your magical soup is ready. So babies, I hope you found this recipe useful. I will be keeping on sharing a lot of recipes with you babies because I'm personally following it. I'm personally having it on religious basis. So I think it should help each one of you. So you can always have different variations when you are into this weight loss phase or you like something different always. I have already made another soup in the past. I'll put the link somewhere on the screen here somewhere so you can watch it. And yeah, that's all. See you later in another video. Bye soon. Bye bye.